Hello and welcome to the channel The Educator Guru. Today we shall study about second type of parts of speech, that is pronoun. Definition. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun like we, they, you, he; reflexive pronoun myself, herself, yourself, etc.; demonstrative pronoun this, that, these, those, etc.; indefinite pronoun this, any, all; distributive pronoun each, every, either, neither; reciprocal pronoun each other, one another; relative pronoun who, whose, that, etc.; interrogative pronoun who, whose, etc. Now, first one, personal pronoun. I, we, he, she, it, they, you, etc. are called personal pronoun. First person is the person or persons speaking as I and we. Second person is the person about to whom we are talking, that is you. Third person is the person or persons spoken to as he, she, it, they. It is also used for lifeless things, that is non-personal thing, yet it is included among personal pronouns. Now, forms of personal pronouns. First person, nominative case, that is I, singular; plural, that will be we; object of I, that is me; and possessive of I, that is my. And here plural, nominative we, object of we, that is us; and possessive case of we, that is our. Second person, you, nominative case, that is you; plural, that is also you; objective form of you, it is also you; and plural, that is same you; possessive of you, that is your; and for plural, that is same your. Note: the old forms of you, nominative you, objective your or yours, possessive in the second person singular were thou, thee, thy, thine. So these are no longer in use. Third person, nominative case, singular, that is he, she, it; plural of these we use they; objective form of he, that is him; she, her; it, and they, that is them; possessive case of he, that is his; she, that is her; it, that is its; and they, that is their. Now, uses of it. Number one, it is normally used for things without life, like bring the book, I want it. Second, it is used for an animal unless want to refer it as male or female, sometimes for a baby or a small child when sex is unknown or unimportant. Example, I like my pigeon as it has beautiful white wings. Number three, it is used as a formal or meaningless subject, especially in talking about the weather, time, or distance. A. It is raining heavily. It is cold outside. B. Example, it is Monday today. It is 8 o'clock now. Rule number 4. It is used as provisional subject of a verb like am, is, are, was, were. So mostly when the real subject, means a group of words or a class, comes afterwards. A. It is difficult to learn Chinese, means to learn Chinese is difficult. Example B. It seems clear unless waiting, means waiting seems unless. Number 5. It is used to give emphasis to the noun or pronoun following the verb. Example, It was me who wanted to meet. Next, emphatic pronoun. Second, when the same compound personal pronoun is used for laying emphasis on a pronoun or noun, it is called emphatic pronoun. Example, I myself cleaned the big house. Second example, she herself spoke to me about it. Next, demonstrative pronoun. That, these, this, those point out the person or persons or thing or things to which they refer. Example, do it like this. These are better than those. Note, this is used when the person or thing is near in time and place to the speaker. That, those refers to what is farther away or more remote. Next, indefinite pronouns. Definition: sometimes pronouns like one, none, all, some, few, everyone, anyone, everybody, etc. are used to refer to a person or thing in a general way. Those nouns that do not refer to any specific or particular person or thing are called indefinite pronouns. Example, one does not know what to do in such a situation. Example number 2, few could escape unhurt from the big fire. Note, one, if used in a sentence, should be used throughout. Example, one should take care of one's health. We can't use his in place of one's. So with one, only possessive, one's coming with apostrophe. Second example, one should love one's country. When sex is indefinite about the singular indefinite pronouns, the pronoun in the masculine gender is used. Example, everyone must do his best. Here he is for male, female, both. Second example, anyone will be able to do this if he tries. But if sex is known, the pronouns in the appropriate gender is used. Example, every one of the girl raised her hand. Distributive pronouns. Definition: each, either, neither are called distributive pronouns as they refer to a singular person or thing in a group, one at a time. They equally distribute attention to each unit in a group. They are always singular and two, therefore followed by a verb in the singular. Each denotes every one of a number of persons or things in a group taken singly. Either denotes one or the other in a group of two. Neither denotes not one nor the other in a group of two. Example, each of the boys received a present. Second, either of the methods leads to the same result. Next example, neither of the two answers is correct. Note, either or neither is used for a group of two when the group contains more than two units. Any, no one, or none should be used instead of either or neither. Each, either, neither distributive pronouns when they stand alone, but when they are followed by nouns of the singular number, they become distributive adjectives as they do the work of adjectives. Example, each boy has received a present. Next, either method leads to the same result. Next, neither answer is correct. Reciprocal pronouns. Definition: each, other, and one are called reciprocal pronouns because they denote reciprocal are mutual action. Example, the two brothers loved each other. Second example, the three brothers love one another. For two we use each other, and for more than that we are using one another, as each other is generally used when two persons or things are referred to, and one another is preferred when more than two persons or things are referred to. Uses: the grammatical rule of each other with reference to two and one another with reference to more than two is no longer strictly followed. Sometimes both the following structures are found. Example, Aswini and Preeti like each other. Second example, Aswini and Preeti like one another, means both are correct. Next, interrogative pronouns. Definition: who, which, whom, what, etc. are called interrogative pronouns. A pronoun which asks question is called an interrogative pronoun. Example, which is her pen? Whom does he hate? Next, possessive pronouns. Definition: the forms mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs are called possessive pronouns. Note: his is used both as a possessive adjective and as a possessive pronoun. Example, Rahul's bicycle is black, mine is red. Reflexive pronoun. Number 1, definition: when the action done by the subject turns back or reflects back upon the subject, the compound personal pronoun is called reflexive pronoun. Example, I drive myself to reach home. Second example, they left their belongings to see the police.